Okay, so I just wanted to go through, beta update 3.12 is coming out in a separate video, but I just wanted to go through beta update. This is the update for everyone. 3.11, which is about selection for typed text. Now, I think it was in another document. Yes, what I did in another document is in here, I just typed some text up, right? This is the 3.11 software update. Okay, the selection tool just became a lot more useful. This is the selection tool over here, especially when switching between a marker and the keyboard. So the keyboard is when you press T, you get the keyboard. And when you close it, you've got the marker, right? Now, if I press T, that's a bit messy, isn't it? I can still write. Okay, but this is the marker and this is the keyboard. All right. Selecting type text, this is the upgrade in 3.11 is about the selection tool. All right. Works a little differently to outlining handwritten notes and sketches. So draw a line through text to select it. All right. So if we go there, oh, sorry, I'm not in the... I do this and I keep all that in just so that you can see the mistakes that are easy to make, that are very common. All right, so it's saying you can draw a line through a word. Oh, I've done it again. You see what happens? Close that. We're going selection tool here, guys. All right. Now you can see that when whatever I touched, it has now selected that. And it's saying, move it up and down the page, cut or copy it or change the style. So we can move it now. If I drag, look at that. Can you see that line, that black line? It's going to let me put that. That's very good. That's very good. All right, let's try once more. Let's move this box down here. So if I go through the whole line and then I drag it and put it wherever I want. This is the lowest I can go because there's only one return after that text. But look at that. That's pretty cool. Now it's saying that when you select it, you can also change its, but it just clicked off it. It didn't let me do that. There it goes. I can change that to, this is your style sheet in effect. That is, what is that? That's called title. I think that's called paragraph, body, paragraph, bullet and box. Yeah. What is that one called? Anyway, so now you know you can select the whole line and move it. We can move that. Let's go down under there. You can select just one word and move it there, but so it doesn't work out that you wanted a new line unless there's a line there. So you have to understand the parameters that you've got already. And then you can make a single word bold or change the order of paragraphs, just very easy. So let's just say we want to bold that word. We can bold it. And then just say we want to italicize that word. We can italicize it. And look at that. How cool is that? Close it. Now, just because all this mess annoys me, no, it doesn't annoy me, but I don't like it. Okay, so yeah, you can obviously write. And for those wanting to know, you can't move the text anywhere else. When you go into text mode, it always starts at the top and works its way down. At the moment, the current software doesn't allow you to, start writing your typed text, Your typing can't start over here. Your typing can't start down here. It starts here and it moves on down. That's the reality of it. All right. But But that's great. That is so good. Look at that. So it's become much more intuitive about the way it does 3.11 selection for type text, how it's selecting and giving you the options to do that. So hope that's useful. Any love on the channel is greatly appreciated. Thanks so much. Bye.